Hey yo guys, it's Epic J here and welcome to another tutorial video. So what we are going to be doing today is basically I'm going to be showing you how to get unlimited color grades with Adobe Photoshop. When you finish your design, you can get unlimited color grades. So I'm just going to pick this Mohamed Salah design over here, open that up, and now we're going to head over to our color grading. So first off, what you're going to do is, now what we are going to do is we're just going to come over here like to the bottom of your layers panel, click on this circle right here, and we are going to add a gradient map. Okay, that's our gradient map. We'll click on this gradient color right here, change it from solid to noise. Okay, yeah, don't mind, it's fine. Actually, we're getting there. Now I'm just going to take this slider down to just about 8%. And that's fine. Now I'm going to take OK. When that's done, you come over here to your blending options and you change your blending mode. Change the blending mode. Let's take it down to overlay. Now we come back here and you just take randomize. And that is how you get unlimited color grades. Each time we get a new color grade. To have more like outcomes, you just come and change the blending mode and you try each and every one of them. Whichever works for you is fine. Just linear blend. And you can as well just reduce the opacity of this. Okay, choose another one, hard light, vivid light, anyone you want. But generally, something that blends with your screen is way better, like this overlay or multiply. Get it? Randomize, it's changing. And that's how you get unlimited color grades. If you like this video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Also turn on notifications so whenever I post a video, you'll be among the first to have a look at it. Signing off.